I'd like to quickly show you how you can use Pages as a word processor on the iPad and then hand it in, or have students hand it in as a Dropbox submission in Schoology. So if I were to go into Productivity and Pages, I'm just going to start a new document by pushing the plus at the top left. I'll say Create Document. It'll give me some choice of templates here. I could choose something fancy if I want to. Once I've selected that, if I'm a student, I can go ahead and edit that in whatever I want, whatever way I want. And then as a student, I can go ahead and hand that in. At the top right-hand corner, there's a wrench. If I push the wrench, I can say Share and Print. And then there are a few options. What I want to do is open it in another app. And what that does is it allows me to open it up in Schoology. So I'm going to say Open in another app. And then it gives me some options here. I can hand it in as a Pages document, as a PDF, or as a Word. I'd recommend almost always handing it in as a PDF file. That's going to work out better. The formatting will stay, and it'll look much better for you when you open it up. So when you tell students, tell them to hand it in as a PDF, so I'll push that. And it goes ahead and generates that. The next step is to choose the app we're going to open it in. If I'm a student right now, what I'll want to do is open it up in Schoology so that I can hand it in. So I go ahead and say Open in Schoology. If I haven't already signed into Schoology, at this point it's going to ask me to do that. And now it gives me the choice of what to do. So I'm going to submit it to my Dropbox, which is the top one. Now, of course, I'm only enrolled in one course here on Schoology, but your students should be enrolled in quite a few, so then they'd go and look for your course. Then, once in your course, they'd look for the assignment that they'd hand it into. They just choose the assignment, and then it uploads the document to Schoology. And as a teacher now, once this part is done, I think there's a Submit button. Let's just check. There it is, and it's submitted. So now as a teacher, you'd see that item submitted to your Dropbox, and you can open it from your iPad or from your computer and mark it.